Trying to decide between Open Web UI and LibreChat for your AI interface? Let me guide you through it. Today, we are comparing two popular open source interfaces for running local and remote AI models. Both Open Web UI and LibreChat let you interact with large language models through a web interface. They support multiple AI providers and work with various backends. Open Web UI focuses on being a versatile interface for Olama and other local AI runners. It offers a clean chat experience with conversation history and model management. The interface feels modern and works well for both beginners and advanced users. LibreChat positions itself as an all-in-one AI chat platform with broader provider support. It integrates with many APIs including OpenAI, Anthropic, and local models simultaneously. Users can switch between different AI providers within the same interface. The main difference is breadth of integration versus focused simplicity. LibreChat aims to connect you to every major AI service available. Open Web UI concentrates on delivering a smooth experience for local and compatible models. For features, LibreChat offers more provider options and preset configurations. Open Web UI provides better document handling and local model management. Both support conversation saving and user management for multi-user setups. Pricing is free for both since they are open source projects. You pay only for the AI API usage or hardware cost for running local models. So, which should you pick? If you want one interface for many different AI services, LibreChat makes sense. If you mainly run local models with Olama and want simplicity, Open Web UI fits better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. See you next time.